Hockey video 3. We are going to be doing shootout
And the goalie.
on goalie Griffin. And we've got our original 2 hockey players.
No original one. I'm the
Our
backup.
original 2 hockey video players.
Dude, person who's in goalie, he's not really a goalie.
Yeah, I am.
I'm the main goalie.
Tyler's going to be in most of the hockey videos. There might be 2 or 3 where
If you
won't be in.
if you
So
saw
anyways, let's start the shootout.
the rest of the videos that we've made, I said I was the goalie. So
Yeah, this kid right here, he does goalie sometimes.
he's
That's
goalie.
the goal.
It was goal?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I hit that.
That so wouldn't have been a goal.
Scored.
No.
Yeah.
You went back.
You went back too. So
No, I didn't.
yes, you did. So we both have a goal. Unless you just want to start at 0.
Okay, you have a goal. Round 2 of our shootout.
No.
Yeah, it's round 2.
Fine.
Well, no, it's shot 2. My bad.
Yeah.
We'll do a few rounds of our shootout.
Ah! He missed it.
Missed. Tied with 1
No.
was
I have to make it here.
no. We're doing 5 shots.
I have to make it here in order for me to be winning. Save it.
And the save. 0-0.
No, we both have 1 goal.
The only reason I'd want to edit this video is to put the scoreboard on top.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Okay, anyways, round 3. I mean, shot 3.
What? What'd you say, Tyler?
Griffin Crawford. Okay, I
That's
gotta
off
make
my stick too.
that was a bad shot, but it's still
I know,
making
but
it.
it's still
I
in
thought
it.
it went the other way.
Our shout outs for
I have 3 goals. I have 2 goals. You have 1 goal.
this video. We're sponsoring
By Chicago,
the
by
Chicago
Chicago Blackhawks
Wolves.
after their win last night.
we are sponsoring the Chicago Wolves and the Chicago Blackhawks.
Our 2 favorite teams.
Our 2 favorite teams.
I don't know about this goalie, but
Crawford, best goalie ever.
so Blackhawks and Wolves.
Yeah,
He's
so
a fan.
go Blackhawks. They're in the Stanley Cup Finals.
Not
The
yet.
Wolves blew it. Blew their 1 game, their 1 chance to get in the Calder Cup playoff.
He scored.
Oh, I thought that went off.
Now we both have 2 goals.
We got 2 goals to 2 goals, shot 4. If Tyler makes it, I have to make the next goal. Now I have a chance to win this if I make this shot.
If you make the shot, I still get a chance. Because I didn't start first.
Yeah, if I make this shot. Tyler has another chance. Tyler has another chance, but if he misses, it's game over.
But if he misses it, it's not game over. And I win if I score.
Yeah, it's kind of like a sudden death.
Okay, go. Come on, Griffin, save this. You got this.
A save.
Okay, don't save mine, though.
What?
Like, don't say mine.
Don't save mine, though. That's what they all want.
Ready, Griffin?
Yeah.
The final shot. Or will it?
Yes!
Shootout still continues.
Still in sudden death.
Sudden death. Then I gotta keep scoring. 'Cause if you score once and I miss, then you win. I hate going first.
You have to go first.
Gives you big pressure during sudden death. Oh, no!
He saved it!
You think I'm a pretty good goalie?
Ready?
Yeah, I hope you're a pretty good goalie for this shot. That would have counted because
You already took the shot.
Yeah, no. Come on, Griffin. You gotta save this one.
getting good. Sudden death, and it's 2-2, right?
Yeah.
I should so put the shootout scoreboard up top. Miss. We got it back. Good thing we got backup puck.
Yeah, one.
One backup puck. In case it goes like off the side of yours. Which that isn't possible. Because we're like nowhere near that. Anyways, the world is round.
Okay, go.
Stupid. The edge of the earth
How
thing.
about we all give ourselves the Blackhawks last nickname? I'm Griffin across.
Oh, crud. I can't move.
He saved it.
Saved it. I couldn't move, because if I would have moved, I would have gone over the red line.
Go, let's go.
And every hockey fan, player knows that you can't cross the red line because the shot would not count.
I won.
That is end of round 1. Watch your next video.